Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, today we're going to reveal the name of the watch face app we got the watch faces from, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, I know you want to know, where did I get the watch faces from that I reviewed yesterday? Many of you liked it. I had one person that didn't, but I'm telling you, this watch face app is awesome. Vincent was the only one, or the first one, who got it right, followed by Sammy, but I don't know how Vincent got it right that early in the morning. He knew exactly where I got these watch faces from, which I tip my hat off to him and Sammy, Lori, Kryptonia, Jackie, Sean, OZ, Adrian. Nobody knew where I got these watch faces from. I wouldn't have known either had somebody had asked me the same question. Now, these watch faces are awesome. I'm telling you, you need to go check it out for yourself. The video that I did yesterday doesn't do it any justice. These watch faces are sharp in detail. If you're looking for something fun, unique, and different, you want to download this watch face app. Now, by no means is it going to take you away from what you find in the Gear Manager store, because the ones in the Gear Manager store offers far more features, customization, shortcuts, step activity info. Mr.Time offers none of that, okay? But what it does offer is a retro look. It offers fun, unique, different watch faces. I mean, I consider this a retro watch face app and an after 5 or after 7 p.m. watch face that I would play when I'm off work and or when I'm in boss status. All right, so I'm telling you, we're going to take a look around. We're going to check out the watch face app, and you make a decision on whether it's worthwhile for you to go check out or not. Okay, but first things first. In order to get started, you got to download the app out of the Gear Manager store. Then you're going to go to the Google Play Store and you're going to download it, the companion app, from there as well. After that, once you download the companion app, it's going to prompt you to do everything that you need to do in order to get started. Once you do, it wants you to pair up your watch to the app. You need to do is very simple, cut and dry. I'm telling you, it's worth the download to check it out for yourself. But check it out after the video. So right now, go get your popcorn, your pizza, your milk and cookies, the things you need in order to get comfortable, because I don't know how long this is going to go. All right, so with that being said, let's take a look around the watch face. Now, first of all, they sell watches, right? And I thought this was not watches, they sell watch bands. I thought this was pretty cool, and they have a lot of high-end watch bands. As you see, it is kind of pricey. So if you're in the market for a watch band, I suggest that you go in and take a look around and see if it's worthy of a buy or not. And over here, you got your menu, you got home, Mr. Lab, and Mr. Lab is simply, it's going to show you all the watch faces that are paid for the most part. That's it, that's all, right? And then you got categories that, you know, you can go through, but you can put in your own name. So if you're looking for a flower, a heart, a guy, a gal, or just a blue watch face, analog watch face, all you got to do is put that in the search engine, okay? And then we're going to go back here. If you want to go into settings and change your push notifications, you can. But if you want to go to the website to take a look at more watch faces by this app, you can go there, and you can also go on your desktop, laptop as well, okay? So with that being said, it also works for the Gear S, the Gear S3, the Gear Sport, the Gear Frontier. It's going to prompt you to do everything you need to do. It even works with Android Wear smartwatches as well. So if you have one, you can tap into this and enjoy some of the best looking watch faces around. Okay, so now this is what we greeted with. First of all, if you want to put something in the search engine, you can, like I did. I put black and red because I found a watch face that I thought was super awesome. You've seen in the intro, like this one here. This one is nice. Sup? What's up? You know, this is the one I have on right now. I thought this was definitely an awesome watch face. And then down at the bottom, it has more, depending on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to dress up, if you're just looking for something to wear for the day, this is going to be it. You see they have it for the Gear S3. Let's do that one. I like this one. This one looks pretty good. Looks like a keyboard. So if you're into music and audio, this might be a very nice watch face for you. Then you go down to the bottom again. It still has the same ones. You just scroll to the side to see if they have anything different. I'm going to put this one on my watch, and then when you tap that, it'll send it to your watch, and then it'll let you know that it sent it and that the sending was complete. Let's see what comes up. There you go. Let's see if I can focus this right there. Now this isn't bad at all. I thought this was definitely a good look. Let me move this up. I thought this was a good look. All right, so with that being said, let's go back out. Let's take a look around. Of course, let's go back in because I didn't show you this. You can also share it if you want to. But let's say you had a watch face like this one. It was a different watch face and you wanted to find out if it was compatible. Then all you got to do is tap here, the 3 dots, and then it'll let you know if it's supported or not and what watches are supported for these watch faces. I thought that was pretty cool as well. Okay, let's go back out. And again, these are some of the, look at that one. That one's nice. This one's different, and that's what I mean. Different, unique, fun. It's not interactive, and then they have some that they call GIFs. It's just an animated watch face that's looped. So let's take a look at one. Now I thought this was pretty nice. I like different, right? I mean, when somebody catch a glimpse of this, they're gonna be like, "Wow, where you get that from?" This one is awesome. Let's put this one on the Gear S3. Again, it's letting you know that it's sending it to your watch. Let's take a look at it, see what comes up. I like that keyboard. I'm gonna have to go back to that keyboard. You see that? Let me go ahead and zoom that in. There you go. This is definitely tight. I'm liking this one. What do you think thus far? Now you go down to the bottom again. There's more. Scroll to the side if you want to check out more. And let's go back. Just take a gander at a few more. You got a black cat. Let's go back out. Let's go all the way back out. And then if you go here, this is the home page. If you want to check out some ultraviolet, you can. These are different purple looking watch faces that you can check out. They have feature tags. They have popular now. If you go into popular now, these are popular within the last 24 hours. If you want to check those out, these are probably watch faces that people have been downloading. You got the week, same thing. Some are familiar, like this one is in the Gear Manager store, but they also have a lot of different ones. Now, if you want analog and digital, if you want something like the Black Panther, you can. 1 month. So just cycle through. Just check it out. They got this neon that's pretty tight. You got to check that out as well. Let's go back out. And then you have best designers, and what they're doing is highlighting the developers for the work that they've done. This guy evidently got down on a lot of watch faces right here. You have another developer right there. Let's check out Winter Sport. Now Winter Sport is pretty nice as well. I thought this one was pretty cool. This was probably one of my favorite. Would have been nice during the times that the Olympics were going on. I thought that was pretty cool. And what is this one? I haven't seen this one. This one is new. So this one is showing a music player. Now, I don't know. See, I told you. This is the original Gear, the one with the camera on it. I thought that was pretty cool, right? So here's some more down at the bottom that you can check out. I do not know if that works. Let's see. Yep, currently connected watch not supported by Mr.Time. Okay, so you can't do it with that one. So you see how that works, right? Now, here we are. Now, you can either check out all types, you can check out analog, but I'm going to warn you that it pulls up analog and digital, or digital and analog together. It's just a blend. I just don't understand. If it says analog, I'm looking for all analog watch faces, nothing else. But definitely, it's not a deal breaker. This is digital. Check out what comes up for digital. You still get analog. Again, I thought that was pretty weird, but it is what it is. This is digital, which is supposed to be both digital and analog. And then you have your motion, which is your GIFs. Okay, so now let's go back to analog. So let's say if you want to find it in a certain color, just tap right here. This is going to be white. So this is probably going to brighten up on the screen. Let's straighten that up a little bit. And let's tap it again. It's going to bring up black. If I tap it again, it's going to bring up what's associated with a green color. Then now blue, this blue looks really awesome. And then red. Look at the keyboard. I'm telling you, the keyboard is nice, y'all. I got to go back and get that one. Anyway, that's what you could do. Or you can just go into the search engine and pull in black, red, and then it's going to pull up some more red watch faces and some different watch faces. Again, SUP is cool. I got to download this one. I thought that one was awesome. Let's go back out. Now, also, you see this plus sign? That's letting you know that you can customize your own watch face. Let's go ahead and check that out. Now, you got digital, you got analog, you got digital, and you got motion. I want to do analog. So you go into analog, it's going to give you, you know, your hands that you can put up there. You can customize whatever hand that you want, right? Which I thought was pretty cool. Same thing for the index. You choose the index that you want. Customize the tool, whatever you want to do. Let's do that. And let's hit this arrow here. You got sub dials. Now I thought this was pretty neat for the sub dials. Got different ones to choose from. This tap, and then it takes you through the different ones that you can set. So I thought this was pretty cool, right? Let's hit this arrow again. It's got digital time, it's got date, and you got battery. So you can customize it to a degree, and you also got text. So you can customize it to a degree. I thought this was pretty slick. You know, you either hit create, hit next, and continue to move on to complete your special customized watch, which I thought was pretty cool. All right. Okay, we're good. So this is it, guys. I don't know. I like this. We got to go back in. I don't know why I keep logging all the way out. So what do you think, guys? I think it's awesome. I think this is definitely a good look. I think it's something you ought to check out in the Gear Manager store. Download the app and then go download the companion app. Again, I didn't show you this one, I don't think. It's got hashtag cartoon, right? Let's go into that one real quick. So I'm not a hashtag type of person, but I thought that was different for, you know, getting your unique different watch faces. This is hashtag animals. Again, you see they bring up more than just animals, right? Again, weird, but not a deal breaker. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you got a lot out of this. And I hope you go ahead and go download it. I'm not getting paid for this. I just wanted to bring you something that I thought was awesome. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.